Yeah, even from this distance, you can see the breach in the causeway.
Look at that. Jim is right. See the separation?
Mm.
Really zooming in on it now. This is why the island is inaccessible. Can't get on, can't get off.
And that's the power of storm surge. We talked about when Hurricane Charlie was approaching, the potential for the bridges across the Tampa Bay area to be washed away. And surge can do that, unfortunately.
I'm also curious as to how power gets to this island. And look,
You can see where the roadway just completely buckled.
Again, Jim can't.
And then
hear
if you come
us,
along the causeway this way,
but we can hear him. All of us can. And
it's just completely washed out. It's just gone.
wow.
The bridge is completely gone here. The pilings are gone. The deck is gone. There's no road at all.